What's up guys, the OnePlus 8T will be launching on October 14th. With OnePlus phones, it's customary to receive a barrage of leaks and tidbits in the lead up to the eventual reveal. While the OnePlus 8T is set to go official next month, we already know a fair bit about the upcoming budget flagship. Except for its price, it looks like we now have an idea about that too, thanks to a leaked Amazon listing. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, subscribe to this channel will be phenomenal. Now, let's start the video. So, the most interesting takeaway here is that OnePlus could price the 8T considerably lower than the 8. Amazon Germany put up a premature listing of the OnePlus 8T, detailing some of its key specifications and launch price. The 12GB RAM variant can be seen listed with a price tag of €693. On the other hand, the lower-end 8GB RAM option will cost €599. These European prices are exactly €100 lower than the OnePlus 8 was priced at in the region. It's always good to hear a confirmation from an official, and there's no better confirmation coming straight from the CEO himself. Pete Lau said that the OnePlus 8T will indeed feature a 120Hz refresh rate display, and will be the same size as its predecessor, meaning 6.55. The engineers have worked on improving the perceived smoothness, color accuracy, and maximum brightness too, and as a result, the panel received an A+ rating from DisplayMate. Besides that, you can also expect to see much faster 65-watt wired charging for its 4500 mAh battery. In line with what we previously heard on the camera side, the OnePlus 8T will be packing a 48-megapixel primary sensor in a quad-camera array with a 16-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 5-megapixel macro sensor, and a 2-megapixel monochrome sensor. This array does and seem all that impressive compared to the one on the OnePlus 8, but if the main image sensor is the same one as found in the OnePlus 8 Pro, then that'll be a big upgrade over the OnePlus 8. So what do you guys think about the upcoming OnePlus 8T? Do let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you like this video, subscribe to the channel will be amazing. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside. I'll catch you guys in the next one.